अब मैं प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अपने इदारे के एक होनहार तालिब इल्म अब्दुल्ला बिन अब्दुल मतीन से गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो स्टेज में आएँ और अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में मदरसे की किरदार के हवाले से अपने माफ़ी ज़मीर बयान करें। अब्दुल्ला बिन अब्दुल मतीन, जिनका ताल्लुक़ शोबा इदादिया अव्वल से है।
वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल अमीन मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन। अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। फलौला नफ़र मिन कुल्लि फ़िरक़तिन मिनहुम ताइफ़तुन लियतफ़क़्क़हू फ़िद्दीन वलियुंज़िरू क़ौमहुम इज़ा रजअू इलैहिम लअल्लहुम यहज़रून। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Honorable Chief Guest of today's convocation, my elders and teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic I have been given is role of a madrasa in today's era. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help me to say what is haqq and truth. The word madrasa means a school, and history of madrasa is as old as history of Islam itself. The first madrasa in Islam was founded by the holy hands of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This madrasa in history is known as Sufa. Sahaba would stay here day and night, and Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was himself the mentor of Sahaba. The history of madrasa walks along the history of Islam as we study history. And when Islam entered subcontinent, it came with madrasas. In these madrasas, not only religious studies were offered, but many other subjects like mathematics, engineering, became a necessity for any Islamic society. Some people claim that the syllabus of madrasa is not fruitful, it is outdated, and it is not applicable in present time. But the fact is, people who don't know the fact claim it. The fact is that the madrasa education system is dynamic and compatible with modern times. Regular changes are made in curriculum. There is a constitutional committee which is expert in its field and is liable to make changes in the curriculum according to need. May Allah make it possible that we have one single education system in Pakistan. If Pakistan becomes a real Islamic state in proper sense, then in this case, we don't need these kind of madrasas. We need universities like Zaytuna and Kazvinia, where all the scientific education were taught, whether religion, medicine, science, engineering, astronomy. But we regret that a system has been imposed upon us, which brought to us nothing but ideological slavery. I believe anyone here in the audience and anyone watching on the internet should know that, as we have discussed earlier, that the reason why this madrasa exists, it's because we aim to save the teachings of the Quran and the Hadith, and we are 100% sure that we are not failing. We are successful. You see thousands and thousands of students completing hifz and graduating from madrasa every year. Plus, you see the impact they put in the society. You see is there are ulama who got successful to make a name of themselves. This is a clear success everyone should notice. This is one side. The second side of the image is there are ulama entering in multinational companies and large business. And we are very much hopeful for a great and bright future, inshallah. The most important point here I want to make is the madrasa offers all these schooling, medical, boarding services for a cost of nothing. Yes, I mean nothing. It's free for everyone. So I feel sorry for people who see madrasa as a threat to them. So in conclusion, I would like to ask people to visit madrasa and meet Maulana people. I believe you will not appreciate but also give them awards. Inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
मज़ीद वीडियोस के लिए आप हमारे फेसबुक पेज को लाइक करें और साथ ही हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि किसी भी नागहानी की सूरत में आपको हमारी वीडियोस बर वक्त मिल सके।